Hi, my name is Vince, and this month I'm on the cover of Fine Art Connoisseur. Stick around to find out how you can get your very own signed copy with a personal note.
I'd like to know when we're does she need me as she breathes? Does she need me as she breathes? I'd like to know when we're I'd like to know, yes, does she need me as she breathes?
Unless you my eyes can't see, baby. Unless you held it. My eyes can't see, baby. Unless my eyes can't see, baby. Unless you held it. My eyes can't see, baby. Unless
And so, once again,
There's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime.
and I thought you were ready to give up.
my eyes can't see, baby. Unless you
Testing 1, 2, 4, 37.
I think I'm on the verge of a breakthrough.
For a limited time, when you sign up to be a supporter, either through Patreon or Storehouse, I'll be giving away a personally signed copy of the February 2021 issue of Fine Art Connoisseur. Who knows, you might even get the copy that I laid on top of, or the one that's sodden with Perrier. Press the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a colorful comment about where you think the stolen box of magazines ended up. The more descriptive, the better. I'll send a signed copy to whoever's comment makes me laugh the most. Thank you so much. Have a good one.